Hi dance friends, Rachael McEnaney-White here. This is a recap with Rachel, a quick walkthrough of Drinking Guarantee. If you'd like a full teach, you can find that in the description below. I do have that available. Here we go, leading with the right foot. It's a forward rock, quarter turn with a point, quarter turn left, quarter turn right, cross the right foot behind and point the right toe to the right side. They are all even counts. Cross your right foot over, quarter turn to the right, stepping back on the left, half a turn to the right, doing a right shuffle, 7 and 8. Oh, 3 and 4. Rock forward on your left foot, 5, recover the weight, do a left coaster step for 7 and 8. First 16 counts look like this. Forward 1, 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, quarter 6, behind 7.8, cross 1, quarter 2, half shuffle 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8. I'm going to turn around and face this way and do the next section facing this way. Side behind, 1, 2, and left heel and ball cross. Repeat with the left foot, side, behind, and heel and cross. We follow that with a figure 8, adding a quarter turn at the end. We're going to cross step to the side, cross behind, quarter turn, step forward, half turn, quarter turn, cross behind, quarter turn left at the end there. Let's try those 16 counts from the vine. Side, behind, and heel and cross, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That whole section is facing the back. Let's try it from the top. Here we go. Rocking forward on the right foot. 1, 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, 6 behind 7.8, cross 1, quarter 2, shuffle 3, rock forward left, 5, 6. Now here's that vine with a heel. 2 and 3, repeat. 5, 6, figure 8, grapevine, side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should be facing 3 o'clock. You're going to rock forward on 1, recover 2, rock to the side 3, recover 4, cross behind 5, quarter turn left 6, right shuffle forward 7 and 8. And then to finish the dance, you're going to stomp your left foot forward, stomp, tap the heel, twist to the left, bring it back, weights on the left foot, right kickball change, and a step half pivot for 7, 8. Those last 8 counts once again is stomp, tap, twist, twist, kickball change, pivot, turn. Facing the front, let's try it from the top. That's the end of the dance. Drinking Guarantee. Here we go. Rocking forward on the right foot. 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, quarter 3, point 4, quarter 5, quarter 6 behind 7.8. Cross 1, quarter 2, shuffle 3, rock forward left, 5, 6, and here's that vine with a heel. 2 and 3 and 4. Repeat. 5, 6, and 7. Figure 8, vine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rock forward, then to the side, cross behind with a shuffle, stomp that left, stomp, tap, twist, kickball change, pivot turn, start again, right foot, rock forward, quarter turn with a point, quarter 5, 6, 7.8, cross 1, half a shuffle, rock forward left with a coaster step. Here's that vine on 1, 2, and heel 3 and 4, 5, 6, figure 8, grapevine. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rock forward, right foot, rock forward, rock side, cross behind with a shuffle, stomp that left, stomp, tap, twist, twist, kickball change, pivot, turn. 2 restarts during the 3rd and 7th wall. The dance begins facing the front. You're going to restart after the rock and the coaster step. So you do 16 counts of the dance and restart facing the back. The very final wall begins facing the front, begins facing the back. You finish the dance with stomp, tap, twist, twist, kickball change, and then you repeat that section but with the right foot. Stomp, tap, twist, left kickball change, pivot. Do it one more time on the left. Stomp, tap, twist, kickball change, and that is the end of the song. Drinking Guarantee. Thanks for watching. If you need a full teach, you can find that in the description. Come to it with some music. Bye.